Did you know that 7 out of 10 people in the US don't get enough protein in their daily diet? And the surprising part is most people believe that eating a high-protein diet is expensive. But today, I'm going to show you how you can build a powerful, muscle-supporting, energy-boosting, high-protein diet, even on a tight budget. If you go to the gym, want to lose weight, or simply want to feel healthier and stronger, this video is made just for you. By the end of it, you'll know exactly how to create a complete high-protein meal plan using foods you can easily find at Walmart or Costco, budget-friendly, real food, and real results. Welcome to Healthy Wave Hub, where we bring you science-based, easy-to-follow tips for a healthier and happier life. If you're ready to improve your health and energy, make sure to subscribe, and let's dive straight into today's powerful topic. Why protein matters so much. Protein is the foundation of your body. It builds your muscles, bones, skin, and even your hormones. When you don't get enough of it, your body feels weaker, slower, and more tired. Whether you work out or not, your body needs protein to repair, recover, and stay strong. A fun fact, protein doesn't just help you build muscle, it helps you lose fat too. It keeps you feeling full longer, controls cravings, and supports your metabolism. A common myths about protein. Many people think protein is only for bodybuilders or gym lovers, but in reality, every human needs it. Students, office workers, moms, everyone benefits from proper protein intake. Another common myth is that too much protein harms your kidneys. That's not true at all, unless you already have a kidney condition. If you drink enough water and eat a balanced diet, protein is completely safe and essential for long-term health. A high protein doesn't mean high cost. Here's the truth. A high-protein diet doesn't have to be expensive. You don't need fancy supplements or premium brands to fuel your body. In fact, you can get all the protein you need from simple, affordable groceries available at Walmart or Costco. Here are some great examples. 1. Eggs, the cheapest and most complete protein source. One egg gives you around 6 grams of pure protein. 4. Greek yogurt, affordable at Walmart and offers about 10 grams of protein per cup. Perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. 3. Peanut butter, delicious, budget-friendly, and packed with protein plus healthy fats. 4. Canned tuna, super high in protein and very affordable. Perfect for quick meals. Have chicken breast, buy in bulk at Costco, and you'll get one of the best protein sources for half the price. If you plan smartly, you can eat high protein every single day without breaking the bank. Start your morning with boiled eggs, have a tuna salad for lunch, a cup of Greek yogurt as an afternoon snack, and some grilled chicken with veggies for dinner. This simple, realistic meal structure will give your body the protein it needs while keeping your wallet happy. Signs you're not getting enough protein. If you're not getting enough protein in your diet, your body gives you warning signs. 1. You feel hungry all the time. 2. You often feel tired or weak. 3. Your hair and nails become brittle or break easily. 4. You struggle with poor sleep. 5. You feel sore and unmotivated after workouts. These are your body's signals. It's asking for more protein. Protein doesn't just make your muscles stronger. It also supports your energy, focus, and mood. When you start eating even a little more protein every day, you'll notice how your energy, confidence, and strength start to rise. You don't need expensive powders or supplements. Real food can do it all. Drink more water, sleep well, eat smart, and include protein in every meal. Health isn't built in one day. It's built through small, consistent decisions. And when you give your body what it truly needs, it rewards you with energy, focus, and a strong, confident you. When people hear eat more protein, the first question that pops into their mind is, how much protein do I actually need every day? That's an important question, because most people either eat far too little or way too much, and both extremes lead to poor results. Here's a simple rule of thumb. You should consume about 1.6 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. For example, if you weigh 70 kilos, about 155 pounds, you should aim for around 110 to 140 grams of protein daily. That's the amount your body needs to stay balanced, build lean muscle, and burn fat effectively. The amazing thing about protein is, it's not just for building muscles. It's also crucial for your brain and mental energy. When your protein intake is too low, you'll notice lower focus, mood swings, and even fatigue throughout the day. Protein helps stabilize your brain's neurons, keeping your mind sharp, your energy steady, and your motivation strong. Now the big question, If we need this much protein every day, how do we afford it on a budget? That's where the real magic begins, because some of the most powerful protein sources are also the most affordable ones, if you just know where to look. Let's check out some cheap, high-protein foods you can easily grab from Walmart or Costco and include in your daily meals. Eggs. A dozen eggs cost just a few dollars, and each egg gives you about 6 grams of protein. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a quick snack. Chicken breast. When you buy in bulk, it's extremely budget-friendly. One grilled chicken breast has around 25 grams of clean protein, low in fat and full of nutrition. And Greek yogurt. 1 cup offers 10 grams of protein, plus it's great for digestion. Add some honey or fruit and you've got a delicious energy-packed snack, like canned tuna, a perfect option for busy people. Each can has about 30 grams of protein, and you can mix it into salads, sandwiches, or just eat it plain. Our peanut butter. 1 tablespoon gives you about 4 grams of protein, and it keeps you full for hours. Spread it on toast or pair it with bananas for a quick, healthy bite. Now here's the cool part. If you plan your meals around these simple foods, you can easily hit 120-150 grams of protein per day and do it for just a few dollars. You don't need any fancy protein powders or expensive supplements. Those are for people who have no time. But if you plan smartly, natural whole foods are all you really need. Once you start feeding your body the right amount of protein, you'll notice big changes. You wake up easier in the morning, you have steady energy throughout the day, your mood improves, and most importantly, your body starts to feel lean, strong, and alive. Protein is the silent superfood most people overlook. But once you understand its power, you unlock a new level of balance and strength in your life. So take a look at your daily meals and ask yourself, where can I add a little more protein? Maybe 1 extra egg at breakfast, a can of tuna for lunch, or a simple chicken breast for dinner. Small changes like these can make a massive difference in how you feel every single day. Remember, getting fit isn't about spending more money. It's about eating smarter. Those who plan their meals with purpose are the ones who stay healthy, energized, and in control. Now that you know how much protein your body really needs and where to find affordable, high-quality options, let's take it a step further. Let's build your entire day of meals around it. The goal here isn't just to eat more. It's to fuel your body strategically throughout the day, so your energy stays steady, your cravings disappear, and you never feel deprived. Breakfast, start strong, stay full. Morning is when most people mess up. They grab a muffin, sugary cereal, or skip breakfast altogether. And by 10 a.m., they're already tired or hungry again. But here's a smarter move. Start your day with a protein-dense breakfast. Example meal: 3 scrambled eggs, 18g protein, 1 slice whole grain toast, 1-2 avocado for healthy fats, 1 cup black coffee or green tea. If you're in a hurry, make a quick protein smoothie. 1 banana, 1 scoop protein powder, optional, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1-2 cup milk or almond milk, ice cubes. Blend it up. Boom. You've got 25-30 grams of pure morning power. This type of breakfast keeps you full for hours and prevents those mid-morning crashes that kill productivity. A lunch, clean, balanced, and budget-friendly. At lunchtime, you need something light yet filling. A meal that won't make you sleepy, but will keep your energy consistent. Example meal: 1 grilled chicken breast, 25g protein, 1 cup steamed rice or quinoa, 1 cup mixed vegetables, broccoli, spinach, carrots, a drizzle of olive oil or lemon. If you're short on time, no problem. Grab a canned tuna salad wrap from Walmart or Costco. 1 canned tuna, 30-grade protein, lettuce, tomato, light mayo, and wrap bread. It's quick, portable, and loaded with nutrition. Want a vegetarian option? Try lentil soup or chickpea salad. Both are high in protein and fiber and can be made in bulk for just a few dollars. Dinner, recovery and relaxation. Evening meals are for repair and recovery. After a full day of movement, your body craves nutrients to rebuild. Example meal: 1 baked salmon fillet, 30-gram protein, 1 serving mashed sweet potatoes, 1 side of steamed asparagus or green beans. Don't want fish? Try lean ground turkey or grilled tofu. Both are excellent high-quality protein sources that fit perfectly in your plan. And if you're on a tight budget, frozen chicken thighs, canned beans, or frozen fish are affordable and effective. Just season them well and bake or air fry. Cheap, clean, and satisfying. Evening snack or dessert. Late night hunger? Skip the chips. Go for something smarter. 1 cup cottage cheese, 15g protein, or a few tablespoons of peanut butter with apple slices. Or a cup of warm milk with cinnamon, great for sleep. This last snack keeps your muscles fed while you rest and prevents the body from breaking down protein overnight. Daily total. If you follow this plan, you'll easily hit 120-150 grams of protein per day without needing expensive supplements. And the best part, you can do it under $10 a day, shopping entirely from stores like Walmart, Costco, Aldi, or Trader Joe's. When you add it all up, this is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle of consistency. It's how you take control of your energy, your physique, and your mental clarity without breaking your wallet. Bonus tip, meal prep is your secret weapon. Spend 1 hour every Sunday cooking your proteins in bulk. Grill chicken, boil eggs, make tuna salad, or roast tofu. Store everything in containers and refrigerate. That way, you'll never have to say, I didn't have time to eat healthy today. Preparation beats motivation every time. When you fuel your body right, your body pays you back with focus, strength, and confidence. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll feel your energy rise, and the closer you'll move toward your fitness goals. So next time you walk into Walmart or Costco, look at those aisles differently. You're not just shopping for food. You're building a stronger, sharper, more powerful version of yourself. You've learned what to eat. You've seen how to build a full day of high-protein, budget-friendly meals. But here's the truth. No diet works unless your mind is ready for change. You can have the best meal plan, the most organized grocery list, even a fridge full of healthy food, but if your mindset isn't aligned, you'll fall back into old habits again and again. That's why this part is not about food. It's about you, your mindset, your focus, your self-discipline. Understand the real reason you're doing this. Most people say they want to get fit, lose weight, or build muscle. But those are surface goals. Ask yourself why you want those things. Do you want more confidence? Do you want to feel proud every morning when you look in the mirror? Do you want energy to live your life to the fullest and without feeling drained or foggy? When your goal has emotion behind it, you stop quitting halfway. Because now it's not just a diet. It's a promise to yourself. Consistency over perfection. The biggest trap people fall into is chasing perfection. They eat clean for 3 days, then miss one meal and think, I messed up, I'll start again Monday. That's the wrong mindset. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If you miss one meal, one day, or even 1 week, don't quit. Just get back on track with your next meal. That's how progress really happens, not overnight, but through small, consistent wins stacked on top of each other. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is temporary. It's like a spark. It lights you up for a moment, then fades. Discipline is different. It's the engine that keeps you moving even when you don't feel like it. You won't always wake up excited to eat clean or hit the gym. Some days you'll feel tired, lazy, or unmotivated. But discipline whispers, I'll do it anyway. That's the voice that separates successful people from everyone else. And the good news? Discipline grows with practice. Every time you follow through, you strengthen that muscle. Build a routine you actually enjoy. If your diet feels like punishment, it won't last. So make it enjoyable. Season your food well, experiment with flavors, try new recipes. Find your favorite protein snacks, your go-to quick meals. And reward yourself, not with junk food, but with things that make you happy. A long walk, a good movie, new workout gear, or a day off. A healthy lifestyle isn't about restriction. It's about balance and freedom. When you realize you can still eat delicious food, feel full, and stay healthy on a budget, you start to love the process, the power of habit. Science says it takes about 66 days to form a lasting habit. That means if you stay consistent for just 2 months, your body and brain will start craving the good stuff automatically. You won't have to force yourself anymore. Your choices will feel natural. So think long-term. Don't chase quick fixes. Build systems. Prep your meals on Sundays. Keep your fridge stocked with protein staples. Carry healthy snacks with you. Set reminders to drink water and move every hour. Small habits lead to big transformation. Listen to your body. Health isn't a competition. It's a personal journey. Your body talks to you every day. You just have to listen. If you're always exhausted, maybe you're under-eating or not sleeping enough. If you feel bloated, maybe you need to switch food types or hydrate better. Your body gives signals: energy, mood, sleep, digestion. Use them as feedback, not frustration. Instead of judging your body, work with it. That's how true transformation happens. Stay patient, results will come. We live in a world where everyone wants instant results, but your body doesn't work that way. It takes time to adapt, build muscle, and shed fat. You didn't gain weight overnight, so don't expect to lose it overnight either. The real secret? Progress compounds. What you do today shows up weeks later. And one day, you'll look in the mirror and think, wow, I did it. That moment makes every meal, every workout, every choice worth it. Your energy shapes everything. Food isn't just fuel for your muscles, it's fuel for your mind. When you eat clean, you think clearer. When you stay hydrated, you feel calmer. When you nourish yourself with the right nutrients, you attract better thoughts, better moods, better people. Your energy becomes contagious. People will start asking you, what's your secret? And you'll smile because it's not a secret. It's just discipline, balance, and consistency. Guard your focus. Here's something few people talk about. Your environment controls your habits. If your kitchen is filled with chips, soda, and cookies, that's what you'll eat. But if you fill your fridge with eggs, chicken, yogurt, and veggies, you'll eat those instead. Remove the temptations. Surround yourself with healthy options. And most importantly, avoid negative energy. Unfollow people who make you feel small. Follow creators who inspire growth. Your focus is precious and protect it. Become your own inspiration. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Everyone starts at a different level. You're not competing with influencers or athletes. You're competing with your past self. If you're 1% better than yesterday, you're winning. Every time you choose protein over junk food, every time you cook instead of order takeout, every time you go for a walk instead of scrolling, you're becoming stronger, sharper, and more confident. That's the real transformation. The kind that lasts. Health is not a diet. It's a long-term investment in the one body you'll ever have. And guess what? It's worth it. Because when you take care of your body, everything else in life improves. Your focus, your relationships, your work, your happiness. You start waking up with purpose. You start believing in yourself again. And the world starts responding to that energy. So don't wait for someday. Start today. Open your fridge, choose one better option, and remind yourself, you're not just eating healthy food. You're building a healthy future. This journey isn't about perfection or pressure. It's about progress. Slow, steady, and meaningful. You don't have to do everything at once. Just keep showing up, one meal, one choice, one day at a time. And remember, every great transformation begins with a single, simple decision. To take care of yourself. You've already made that decision by being here, by learning, by trying, by caring. Now it's time to live it fully. Because the best investment you can ever make is in your health, your energy, and your future self. And that's what it's all about, my friends. Making health simple, affordable, and achievable for everyone. We all want to feel stronger, more energetic, and more in control of our lives. And the truth is, it's not hard. It just takes consistency. One good choice every single day, and those choices will change your life. If this video inspired you, or helped you learn something new today, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Because you never know who might need a little motivation too. And if you're serious about transforming your health, then don't forget to subscribe. Because right here on Healthy Vibe Hub, we share weekly videos that help you build a stronger body, a calmer mind, and a more balanced life. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite high-protein budget food? Or what topic should we cover next? Remember, you already have everything you need to live a healthy, fulfilling life. Just take that first step and awaken the power that's already inside you. I'm your host, and this is Healthy Vibe Hub. Be kind to your body, nurture your mind, and keep your spirit strong. Because health isn't a destination, it's a lifestyle. Healthy Vibe Hub, your daily dose of wellness and motivation. Stay positive, stay strong, stay healthy. See you in the next video.